Welcome to a video from thedigitallife.com. New Windows 10 build to look at. This is 17733, Redstone 5 release, and getting close to the end of the development process of Redstone 5. So again, not that many changes through this release because Microsoft are focusing on getting this ready for general release. So what's new in 17733? Well, there's a couple of things. First of all, I noticed, and I think this is actually a bug, that none of the nice reveal effects are working on here. So I can show you this between this and another build. So I move my mouse around here, nothing happens. This is 18204, a skip ahead build, and look at the nice effects on here. So those have gone. I did ask Microsoft and they said they're looking into that, and I think that is actually a bug rather than just being removed completely. So you can see you don't get that sort of nice effect on there. Sometimes it seems to, it works on the menu headers but not the items itself. Okay, what Microsoft say is done with this build though is the completion of dark mode in File Explorer. So this is File Explorer and working in dark mode, and yep, it works. I know a lot of people wanted it and really want to see dark mode, so there it is. It works. It's not, I would say, the most exciting new features, but the menus are there. Some bits then take you to the light mode screens like that. That's an old screen, but the dark mode thing works in there. Other than that, the changes are all fairly minor. They've removed some XAML drop shadows, that's coming back later. They fixed an issue where the touch keyboard might not work when you're going into a touchscreen screen, you know, when you're in tablet mode. They fixed an issue with the progress bar notifications, and they fixed some high contrast issues. There still are a number of issues though, so you know that this isn't ready yet. One example being you'll get a green screen of death if you delete a file from a local folder that's synced to OneDrive, so I won't do that now, but that could happen. Linking one app to another may not work, and that was a problem with the previous build. And if you're using Windows Mixed Reality headset, the first time you set that up with motion controllers, the controls may need repairing a second time before appearing on the headset, and the flashlight of Windows Mixed Reality may fail to work as well. So that's the changes with this build. I've got a full list on thedigitallife.com. Dark mode done, just a couple of bugs, and reveal effects not working very well. Hopefully that will be fixed in the next build and they'll put those back on again. I would guess we're talking mid-August now. My feelings are sort of September, October time release for this, and hopefully that list of known issues will start shrinking down, and then this will go out to, we'll get some slow ring builds, eventually release preview, and then it'll go to Windows users. So thanks for watching this video. You can see more on thedigitalLifestyle.com, on our YouTube channel, and on my Twitter account @ISDixon.